Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY cardboard photo frame for all your precious memories. Woohoo! Enjoy! How many of you remember the days when we used to entertain visitors and used to have nothing to tell the visitor? So you'd pull out a photo album and show them photos, old family photos. It used to be like a conversation starter. Sometimes you never used to have anything to say, but the photos would bring about a story about
your childhood, or something would just come up and you would have to talk about something, you and your guest.
The idea of this photo frame came about because I was seated with a friend. Honestly, we don't know each other that well, and I didn't know what to talk about. And I was just remembering the old days when you'd pull out a photo album. I was just thinking maybe having a childhood photo over there would be a really nice conversation starter, because someone would pick it up, be like, oh my god, how old were you when and then you'd have a funny story to tell or something. So yeah, and also I'm just thinking, due to this time, considering everybody's on quarantine, especially in my country, most people have been advised to stay home if you're non-essential. For me, I'm non-essential, so this would be something really nice to make for your bedroom, for your sitting room. This would be a fun project to do with your children. Since kids are at home, instead of getting bored in the house, why not pick up a few items and just make something beautiful for your home. For this DIY, we're going to need a piece of cardboard, high gloss Manilla paper, beads or ornaments that you're going to use to decorate your frame. And also, we're also going to need another color of Manilla paper, a different one from the first one, yeah? So let me show you the high gloss Manilla paper I have. This is a piece of the high gloss Manilla paper that I bought. It's really shiny. It's actually shiny on both sides. I bought my high gloss Manilla paper from Burhani Graphics. It's in town. You can also get this at some textbook centers, at the Hub or Westlands, but I mentioned beads or ornaments for your frame. Let me show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use these beads. These are really beautiful beads. I think they're really pretty. They feel like stones. They feel like stones. They're I bought this necklace a while back, I think 5-6 years ago. I bought this necklace and it got cut. Let me show you. I know you don't believe me. It cut. I couldn't wear it anymore, so it's just been staying in my drawer because I really like the stones. Honestly, you'd keep it, right? Just like I did. I'm going to use that to decorate my frame. Yes, and then I'm going to, on the sides of the frame, I'm going to do some paper flowers. That's what I'm going to use my high gloss Manilla paper for. And then I'm also going to make some paper leaves. That's why I'm asking you to have 2 different colors of Manilla paper. So let's do this. I can't even wait to show you my material, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Mwah. The outer rectangle is 7 by 9 inches. The inner rectangle is 4 inches by 6 inches. This will be the front of my frame. So what I'm going to do is attach this piece to this piece so that these two will make the front of my frame. So what we're going to use to attach the 2 pieces together is some craft glue. So I'm going to open my craft glue and I'm going to put a generous amount. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the high gloss manila paper into small pieces. I've also cut my metallic board into a small piece. This I'm going to use for the leaves, and this I am going to use for the flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a flower. So this is going to be able to give you a rose flower that looks like. Cut out the pattern, and you're going to achieve this. Once you roll it out, it's going to give you this. On this green paper, we're going to draw a leaf. Okay, so I already covered the frame, even the back. So we're going to attach this piece. We're going to use hot glue. This is to ensure you create space for the photograph to actually go into the frame. So for the back piece, what I'm going to do, I cut out some piece of the high gloss white manila paper, and I cut out some piece of the high gloss black paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the white one at the front, and I'm going to stick the black one at the back. So yeah, I'm using my craft glue. Yeah. The next step will just be to decorate the frame. As you can see here, I've cut out leaves and paper roses. So now I'm going to add the stones as we had talked about earlier. As you can see, the sides have cardboard. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a piece of some of the black paper and put it all around, covering to the sides. Have it, a DIY cardboard photo frames. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, make sure you hit the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe so you don't get to miss any of my awesome videos. Toodles! This time, it is really important to maintain proper hygiene And also ensure that you sanitize your hands. If you do not have a sanitizer, don't worry, you can always use soap and water. Soap and water is actually quite effective. While you're washing your hands, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly, wash in between your fingers. So we maintain proper hygiene. Let's make sure we practice social distancing so that we stop the spread.